Hi everyone, it's Rob Cosman, and I just want to put out this quick video. I guess every Amazon seller got an email today or late last night perhaps saying that if you don't update your VAT for sales to France and France VAT, which is value added tax, sales tax, you could get suspended. So I don't sell in France, but I do have FBA export enabled. So I'm going to show you how to actually go into your account and change this setting to exclude France. So I've done that now. So I've gone into settings and you go to fulfillment by Amazon. And you're going to see all this jazz, and you're going to scroll down to FBA export from Amazon.com, and we're going to edit our settings there. Now, I don't know if we're really at risk or whatnot, but you know what? I'd rather just cover my bases, and maybe I don't sell some stuff to people in France. So shipping restrictions. I just went into edit, and I went down and I found the European Union. I checked out France, and I said, no longer French people, sorry. And then I saved it. So now, hopefully, my shipping restrictions say restricted France, and hopefully I wouldn't be at risk because my products wouldn't be exported to France. Again, this is super hot. Amazon isn't clear on kind of the directions like they quite often are, and sometimes just send out emails and always threaten with the nice like, oh, if you don't do it, we could suspend you. So I'd rather be a little proactive and then say, look, I took it, I restricted France, I should be okay, and hopefully this helps.